In 3 easy steps, I'm going to show you how to get this look for your videos using only 3 lights. If you're a Sony shooter, you're in luck, because I'm also a Sony shooter. Right now, I'm using the Sony FX3 and I'm going to share the exact settings of the camera. I'm shooting S-Log3, S-Gamma3.cine, ISO 800, aperture f1.4 with a 50mm lens. My white balance is set for my key light, and with the latest firmware update of the camera, you can choose shutter angle for the shutter speed. Right now, I'm using a 180-degree shutter angle. The first step is going to be powering off every single light in your room. Just keep the key light on. There! Now we have only the key light. The second step is going to be setting the white balance and the exposure right. For this, I strongly suggest you use a gray card or a color checkerboard. A gray card is always better and you can always find very cheap options on the web. My recommendation is to set the gray card right where your face is going to be at the same level where you are going to be standing. This way you can expose as the manufacturer indicates and you can get a very easy color correction process later in post-production. Right now I have centered my gray card right in the middle of the frame. This is where my face is going to be mainly in the video. I turn on the zebras in my camera set to 41% IRE and then just adjust the power output on the light. I don't change any settings in the camera. Same ISO 800, same aperture value, and same shutter angle. Don't move anything in the camera. In this step, you're only going to adjust the power output of your light. If your power output is not enough, maybe you need a more powerful light. Just remember to adjust the distance of the light. Maybe it's not that your light is not powerful enough. Maybe the problem is that it's too far away from you. Keep that in mind. And also, it's always better when your light source is very close to you. Your shadows are going to be more flattering, and also you're going to get more control in the light spill. At this point, we haven't set the white balance just yet. First, you get the exposure, and then once you set the power output of your light, you set your white balance. Why is this? Because depending on the power output of each light, there's going to be some changing in the color temperature, so be aware of that. Right, once we have set our exposure and our white balance using our gray card, we can get rid of it and position ourselves right in frame. The third step is going to be just add more lights. In this case, I'm going to add 2 more lights. The first one is going to be a fill light, a rim light. One light that is coming from the opposite side of my key light to lead some of the shadows that is going to be in this side of my face. Let me turn that on real quickly. And just like that, and very easily, we set our rim light. This one, I'm using a Godox SL60W with a strip softbox just to control the spill so there's no more light of that coming to my background or leading more of this side of the scene. Also, that light is set to the lowest possible power output. In this case, the SL60W only admits going as low as 10%. Next, I'm going to add my background light. This one is a flashlight with 4 colors by Neewer that comes with some light modifiers. Let me turn that on real quickly. And there you go. With 3 lights, you can create a very nice scene very easily. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. And let me know in the comment section if you try this setup yourself. See ya!